Yes, that is Krishna consciousness. That is Krishna consciousness. If you become Krishna conscious, then you can get a body, not get, you have already got the body, spiritual body, and upon that spiritual body, this material body has developed, just like dress. Your coat is cut according to your body. Similarly, this materially body is cut according to our spiritual body. So we have got our spiritual body. This material body is covering. Bhashangsi jinnani. Just like dress, your shirt and coat is the covering of your real body. Similarly, this body, gross body and subtle body, made of material elements. The gross body is made of earth, water, air, fire, and the subtle body is made of mind, intelligence and ego. This is the shirt and coat. Within this shirt and coat there is the soul. So, the soul is now encased in this material body, and our business in the human form of body, in animal form of body, we cannot do this, but the human form of body, we can understand that I am not this body. The body, this material body, is a outer encasement, and because I have got this body, I am subjected to birth, death, old age and disease. Now, in the human form of body, I understand it. So, if I take the process, how to get out of this cycle of birth and death, then our human life is successful. This is Krishna consciousness movement. How we are helping people how to get out of this material body and revive your own spiritual body, and in that spiritual body you go back to home, back to God. This is the process. Takta dehang punarjanma naiti. But people are so attracted to this material body that they are prepared to become cats and dogs next life, but they are not prepared to go back to home, back to God. This is the problem. So why this problem? Because the human society is in chaos, a chaotic condition. There must be division of 4 classes. One class must be Brahmana, intelligent class. And one should be Kshatriya, one class, the administrator. Because human society, they require good consulting brain, good administrators, good producers and good worker. That is the division of Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. Therefore Krishna says, Chaturvarnang maya system, in order to keep smooth facilities for human life, there must be 4 divisions. If you say that we don't require Brahmana, if you don't require Brahmana, then you will suffer. Just like you have got this body, and if you think this part of the body is very expensive, always eating, cut it off. Then you will dead. Similarly, just to keep your body in good condition, in living condition, you must have your head, you must have your arms, you must have your belly, you must have your legs. You cannot say that I can avoid this part of the body. No. Similarly, Chaturvarnang Maya system, the 4 divisions of the society must be there. Otherwise it will be chaotic, a dead body. So at the present moment, The difficulty is there is no Brahmana, there is no Kshatriya. There are only the Vaishyas and the Shudras. Belly, Vaishya means belly, and Shudra means the leg. So if out of the four divisions, one is one who knows God, that is Brahman. And keeping in view God, they teaches others to become God conscious. Without becoming God conscious, the human society is simply animal society, because animals cannot be God conscious. However, you may go on preaching amongst the animal cats and dogs. It is not possible, because they have no brain to understand what is God. So, in the human society, if there is no Brahmana who can teach about God, who can elevate person to God consciousness, then it is also animal society. Simply eating, sleeping and sex life and defense, these are the business of the animals also. The animals also know how to eat, how to sleep, how to enjoy sex life, how to defend. They know in their own way. So simply to do these business does not mean human being. Then the mission of human being will not be fulfilled. There must be the four classes of man as Krishna recommends. Chaturvarnang maya system. There must be a Brahminical class of man, a Kshatriya class of man, a Vaishya class. There are already, but they are not very scientifically settled as it is propounded in the Bhagavad Gita, Chaturvarnang maya system. These are guna karma vibhagas. Guna means according to quality. So, in India, these four classes of men are there, but they are in the name. Actually, it is also in the chaotic condition, because nobody is following the prescription as given by Bhagavad Gita. Guna karma vibhagas. In India, although a person born in a Brahman family, but his guna qualities are less than Shudra, but still he is being accepted as a Brahman. That is the difficulty. Therefore, India's condition is so chaotic. But this is a scientific process. You Western people, you should try to understand that. And our boys and girls who have joined, they are trying to understand and execute the principles. So, if you take up this Krishna consciousness movement, which is meant for the Brahmanas, if you become Brahmana by quality, then the Western nations will be, especially in America, they will be first class nation. They will be first class nation. You have got intelligence, you have got resources, you are also inquisitive, you catch up good things, so you have got good qualities. You take up this Krishna consciousness movement seriously, and you will become the first class nation of the world. That is my request. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.